Good morning, students. As you know, our topic is factors and multiples, and we are doing exercise 18. Question number first and second we already discussed in previous lecture. So now I'm starting from the third question. Yes, students, your third question is list all prime numbers between 1 to 50. List all prime numbers. Third question is all prime numbers between 1 to 50. 1 to 50. Yes, friends. In previous lecture, we already discussed what are prime numbers. Yes, friends. Prime numbers are those numbers, the number which have only two factors. A number which have only two factors. First factor is 1 and second factor is number itself. These numbers are known as prime numbers. Now, make a list of all prime numbers between 1 to 50. Yes, friends, we'll start from 1. As you know, 1 is neither prime nor composite. So next number is 2. Yes, first prime number is 2. Then 3, 4 is a composite number. Next number 5, 6 composite number. Then 7, 8, 9, 10. Next is 11. Next number is 13. 11, 13. Next is 17, 19. 90, that's 90, 20, 21, 22. These all are composite numbers. Next number is 23. Next is 29. Next is 30 composite number. 31 is a prime number. 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. These all are composite numbers. So next is 37. After 37, 41, 43, 41, 43, and last is 47. 48, 49, 50. These all are composite numbers. So all prime numbers between 1 to 50 are 1, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, and 47. Yes, friends, these are numbers which have only two factors. First factor is 1 and second factor is number itself. These are all numbers which have only two factors. So these are prime numbers between 1 to 50. Yes, friends. Next is fourth question. List all prime numbers between 51 to 100. 51 to 100. Fourth question. Question number 4. Between 51 to 100. Yes, friends. These numbers are, now list all prime numbers between 51 to 100. So start from 51. 51 is a composite number. 52 composite. First number is 53. 53 number 53 have only two factors. First factor is 1 and second factor is number itself. 53. Next is 59. 53. 57, 59, 53, 53, 59. Next is 61, 67, 61, 67, 68 is a composite, 69. Composite 69, composite 70, composite. Next is 71. 71 is a prime number. 72 composite number, 73 again prime number. 74, 75, 76, 76, 78, these all are composite number. So next number is 79. Next is 80, 81, 82. These are composite number. So next prime number is 83. Next is 89. 89. And last is 97. So these are all prime numbers between 51 to 100. Yes, friends? These are all prime numbers between 51 to 100. These numbers have only two factors. That's why these are prime numbers. 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, and last 97. These all are prime numbers between 51 to 100. Dear students? Yes. Next question is question number 6. List 7 consecutive composite numbers. Sorry, fifth question. Fifth question is list all twin primes between 1 and 50. Yes, friends. Now your fifth question is list all twin primes between 1 and 50. So first we discuss what are twin primes. What are twin primes? Yes, friends. Prime number, two prime numbers which difference is 2 are known as twin primes. Two prime numbers whose difference is 2. These numbers are known as twin primes. For example, number 3 and 5. Yes, friends. Number 3 and 5. Both are prime numbers. Now find the difference. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. So it means 3 and 5 are twin prime numbers. Next example is 5 and 7. Number 5 and 7. Yes, friends, as you know, both 5 and 7 are prime numbers. Now check the difference. 7 minus 5 is 2. It means 3, 5, 3, 5, 5, 7. These are twin primes. So basically, what are twin prime numbers? Two prime numbers whose difference is 2 are known as twin prime numbers. Clear, students? Now, fifth question. Question number 5. List all twin primes. List all twin primes between 1 to 50. Yes, friends. First there is 3 and 5. First is 3, 5. Next is 5, 7, 3 and 5. These are twin primes. Next is 5 and 7. Yes, friends. Next is 11 and 13. 11 and 13. Now 13 minus 11 difference is 2. Next is 17 and 19. 17 and 19 both are prime numbers. Now check the difference. 19 minus 17. Your answer is 2. And next is 29 and 31. 29 and 31. 29 and 31 both are prime numbers. Now check the difference. 31 minus 29 difference is 2. So these are twin primes. Next is 41 and 43. So these are all pairs. These are all twin primes between 1 to 50. So students, what are twin primes? The number two prime numbers. If two prime numbers, difference is 2. If two prime numbers having difference 2, then these numbers are twin primes. For example, 3 and 5. 5 minus 3 difference is 2. 5, 7. 7 minus 5 difference is 2. 30, 11 and 30 both are prime numbers. Now check the difference 2. So these are all twin primes between 1 to 50. Clear, students? Next is the sixth question. List 7 consecutive. List 7 consecutive composite numbers less than 100. Consecutive, the numbers which are in continuity. List 7 consecutive composite numbers less than 100. Question number 6. List 7 consecutive composite numbers less than 100. Yes, friends. So first, what are composite numbers? The numbers having more than 2 factors. The number having more than 2 factors are known as composite numbers. Now, 1 to 100, find 7 consecutive composite numbers less than 100. So, when we study counting 1 to 100, these consecutive numbers are 96 to 90. We'll start from 90, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, and 96. 97 is a prime number. So these are all numbers: 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96. These all are composite numbers between which are less than 100. And you can see these numbers are in continuity. Next is seventh question. Give 4 examples of 4 primes. 4 examples of 4 primes. Yes, friends. First we discuss what are 4 primes. Yes, friends. What are 4 primes? Two numbers are set 4 primes if they have only one as their common factor. If two numbers are known 4 primes if they have only one common factor. These two numbers can be, it may be prime, it may be composite, but a common factor is only one. So first is 3 and 4. First number is 3 and 4. Now find all factors of 3. 1 and 3. All factors of 4. 1, 4 are 4. 2 are 4. Now factors of 3 are 1 and 3. And factors of 4 are 1, 2, 4. Now check common factor. Common factor is 1. So it means 3 and 4 are 4 prime numbers. To check the 4 prime numbers, first we find all factors of first number, then we find all factors of second number. Then choose the common factor. All factors of 3 are 1 and 3. All factors of 4 are 1, 2, and 4. Now common factor is only 1. So it means 3 and 4 are 4 primes. Next is 5 and 7. Next number is 5 and 7. Give 4 examples. Second example is 5 and 7. All factors of 5 are 1 and 5, and all factors of 7, 1 and 7. So common factor 1. Next is 5 and 9. And last, you can say 11 and 13. 11 and 13. Clear, students? This is question number 6 and 7. Clear, students? Next is 8th question. Yes, friends. 8th question is write the prime factorization of each of the following by division by prime numbers. Now, students, find all prime factors by division method. Yes, friends, when we find prime factor of any number, we have 2 methods. First is division method. Second method is factor tree. So first method, now find all prime factors of given number by division method. Yes, friends, how can find prime factor of any number? For this, to find this, we will consider one example. First, your 8th question. First question is part A. Question number 8. Find all prime factors of 60. Find all prime factors. Question number 8. Find all prime factors of 60. Yes, friends. Now we are finding these prime factors by division method. Yes, friends. First write 60 as. Now, as you know, 60 is an even number. So if our number is even, in first step we will divide by 2. 2, 3 are 6. Again, 30 is an even number. Again divide by 2. 50. Next. Now 15 is an odd number. So first we'll divide by 3. 3, 5 are 50. Now 5. 1. So these are all prime factors of 60. This is a division method. Now, how we can find a prime factor of any number by division method? If your number is even, then we'll divide by 2. Get answer. Now, and move on next step. If your number is odd, at first we will try by number 3, then 5, then 7, and so on. So prime factors of 60 are 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. These are all prime factors of 60. This is a division method. Find prime factors by division method. Yes, students. Next is, this is 8th question part A. Now 8th question part B. C. Yes, students. In 8th question we have 5 parts. Part A, C, and E. We'll discuss in this lecture, and part B and D we'll try after this lecture. Okay. Now next number is now find all prime factors by division method of number 180. Yes, students, 180 is an even number. So first we'll try by 2. 9 2 are. Again, next number is even. So once again divide by 2. 4 2 are 8. Now since 45 is an odd number, so try by 3. 45 divide by 3. 3 1 are 3. 5 3 are 2. Next, odd number 15 is an odd number. 3 5 are 2. Yes, sir? So all prime factors of 180 are 2 2 3 3 5. So these are prime factorization by division. Yes, friends. Now last part is find all prime factors of number 728. 728. So part E. 8th question, E part. Now, number 728. 728. Now find all prime factors of this number. Yes, the last digit is 8. Last digit is 8. It means 728 is a even number. So in rough side, please divide by 2. 728 divide by 2. 2 3 are 6. 1 2. 6 2 are 12. So we get 364. When we divide 720 by 2, we get 362. Again, students, 364 is an even number. So once again, divide by 2. 364. Divide by 2. 2 1 and 2. 1 6 8. That's 180. Again, divide by 2. 9 2 are 18. Now divide by 7. 91 divided by 7. Distance 91 divided by 7. 7 1 are 7. Difference is 2. 1. 7 3 are 20. Is 30. So these are all prime factors of number 200. 723. 2, 2, 2, 7 and 30. This is question number 8, part E. Clear, students? Next is 9th question. Write the prime factorization of each of the following number by factor 3. Now we'll find prime factors of any number by factor 3. Yes, friends, your first number is 90. Find all prime factor of given number by factor 3. First number is question number 9. Part A. Your number is 90. Yes, friends. First to write number as it is 90 and circle. Yes, friends. And you know our number 90 is an even number. 90 is an even number. So divide by 2. 90 divided by 2. 4 2 are 8. 1 0. 5 2 are. So when we divide 90 with 2, we'll get 45 and remainder is 0. So we write this number as, now write in 2 portions. First number is 2 and second is 45. Again, circle these numbers. Now students, you can see 2 is a prime number. 2 is a prime number and 45 is a composite number. And now 45 is a odd number. So 45 divided by 3. 45 divided by 3. 3 1 are 3. 1 5. 3 5 are 50. So when we divide 45 by 3, you get 3 and 15 as 2 factors. So write here 3 and again, students, 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, but 15 is a composite number. Again, and 15 is an odd number. So again, divide by 3. 3 5 are. So all prime factors of 90 are, okay, 2, 3, 3, 5. So all prime factors of number 90 are 2, 3, 3, and 5. Answer is 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So this is the 9th question, first part. Again, students, in 9th question, we have 5 parts, part A to E. So part A, C, and E we discuss in this lecture, and part B and D we'll try after this lecture. Okay. Now, next is part C. Now your number is 300. Part C. The number is 300. Questions. You know 300 is a even number. So in rough side, 300 divided by 2. 1. Difference is 1 and 5. 5 to are 10. Yes, friends. When we divide 300 by 2, we'll get 2 and 50. Remainder is 0. So divide into two parts. First part is 2 and second is 150. Yes, friends. Again, our number 150 is an even number. 150. 150 divided by 2. 7 to are 14. And 5 to are 10. We get 2 and 75. And remainder is 0. Again, students, 150 divided into two parts. First is 2 and second is 75. Now 2 and 2. These are prime numbers. 75 is a composite number. And now 75 is the odd number. So divide 75 by 3. You get 3 and 25. Now 3 is a prime number, but 25 is a composite number. Again, divide into two parts. 5 are. Yes, friends. So all prime factors of number 300 are 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 5 multiply 5. So our answer is 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 5 multiply 5. These are all prime factors of number 300. Clear, students? Next is part E. Now number is 450. Now find all prime factors of number 450. Now number is 450. Find all prime factors of this number. Yes, friends, now see our last digit is 0. It means 450 is a even number. So we divide by 2. Or in rough side, 450 divide by 2. 2 to our 4. Next number is 5. 2 to our 4. Difference 1, 0. Yes, we get 2 and 225. First number is 2. Second is 225. Now our number 225 is an odd number. So first we try by 3. 225 divided by 3. 3, 7 are 21. 2 minus 1, 1. Next time. Is it 5, 3, 5? 3, 5 are 50. So we get 3 and 75. 3 and 75. Now number 75 again is an odd number. Once again divide by 3. Okay, 25. Now 25 odd number divided by 5. Because the 25 is not divisible by exactly divisible by 3. So next number try 5. 5 are 25. Yes, friends. So all prime factors of number 450 are 2, 3, 5, and 5. So our answer is 2, 3, 3, 5, and these are all prime factors of number 450. Yes, friends. So, friends, today your homework is complete question 1 to 10. Complete questions 1 to 10 of exercise 18. Thank you. Have a nice day.